Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add new members to a discoverable space in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch the Gmail app or access Gmail through your web browser. Step 2. At the bottom, tap Spaces. Locate the Spaces icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Step 3. Select the space you want to invite members to. Choose the specific space from your list that you want to add new members to. Step 4. At the top, tap the space name. Once you're inside the selected space, tap on the space name at the top of the screen. Step 5. Copy link to this space. From the options presented, select Copy link to this space. Step 6. Share the link to anyone you'd like to invite or reference the space with. Share the copied link with the individuals you want to invite, or use it as a reference for others to access the space. By following these steps, you can easily add new members to a discoverable space in Gmail and enhance collaboration and communication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.